What's up, YouTube? Zan here. We're back in the cold storage side of the garage here. Talk about the snowblower again. Thanks for everyone for watching that last video about us fixing this thing in a blizzard while I had pneumonia. I just got over COVID after having pneumonia, so I'm living my best life, I guess. See if I can get this out. Anyways, last video, this beautiful pull string did this. So I bought a new one. And I'm going to attempt to rewind, I guess. I've never dealt with something like this. Just has never been my forte to fix anything that has a pull start. Haven't had to. So I think, if I look at this right, I bought a Craftsman pull starter. It's supposed to be like a universal. And it looks like I mean, the exact same thing. So I don't know if it's been replaced once already, or if Craftsman, Troy-Bilt are kind of a combined thing, and they kind of buy their parts from the same people. What the deal is, but we're gonna look into this. Installation instructions, what I need. I don't have half the stuff I need probably. Yeah, so we're gonna play with this. We're gonna reinstall this and see if we can get to start. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I got some pretty poor lighting in this side of the garage, and the other side is full right now of a car, and I don't feel like moving it because I'm lazy. So yeah, let's get to this. We got to take this housing, which is the pull start assembly. I don't know what you want to call it like exactly, but oh, that came off. That was pretty easy. It looks like just 3 bolts off the back. One, oh man, these are tiny little bolts. Okay, don't lose those. This looks like it should be fairly simple, but I've heard horror stories about doing stuff like this. I don't know why, but I have. So we'll see what we can do. I think I'm pretty smart. I think so. So I think we'll be able to get to this. So yeah, the Troy-Bilt I have is a 208cc, which means I can very easily and quickly mount the Predator 212 engine directly to this. I found that out doing some research. So worst comes to worst at some point in life, oh, I smacked my head off that. I can install a Predator engine on that. Okay, so I got this off. Okay, so it pulled this way. So to wind it would be this way. Okay. What we have to do is we have to somehow get the old cord out of here. Which, yep, should be just like this. Oh, okay. Oh, it already winds itself. Oh, okay. So what I'm going to do, I think, if I can get, oh, this will be easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, it's now fully pulled out, technically. If I can get this out of here, I might have to cut it. I think I brought scissors. So I think this should be fairly simple. And I could be wrong, is I've already pulled the cable as far as it'll go in reality, and it should stop there. Yep. So if I get rid of this cord, these crappy scissors I have in the garage because I didn't bring my knife. Alright, YouTube, I got the whole assembly out, and I got the cord out, and it says to wind this thing up until it's super tight. Basically, it's going to stop at some point, which is actually a lot of tension, so let's see if it's enough. Wow, this is gonna be a lot of tension on this string. Okay, so do it until it stops, which is like here, and then go back a turn. Which luckily for me, right here where my left thumb is the spot that the cord comes through. There we go. So this should then feed through here, like such. Come on. There we go. And actually, I'm going to use where'd my scissors go. Had scissors. Uh-oh. And I just lost it because I wasn't holding it. I was going to use the scissors and put it in the spokes here, or the between the parts here to hold it while it tensions, but we'll see. Okay, so that should do that, and then this should basically tension itself up. There we go. That seems good. And then we're going to add the cable back in here. Oh no, we lost it, son of a biscuit. No! So, I got to unwind the whole darn thing. And now there's no tension left on it because I messed that up. We got to take this back out and start the process over again because I lost it. Okay. Tight again. Rotate it back one. Oh, I think so. I think the instructions actually do this backwards. Is to do the handle first, which makes sense because then it can't whip itself into it. But I'm gonna do everything backwards. So, because you know, there's more than one way to do everything. Hope you guys can see this. Hope I'm not too far off camera. Okay. Got it tied in there again. Let it tension itself up. We're actually gonna take this. We're gonna put it between our legs like this. Before we do anything else, we're gonna hold the tension. We're gonna double knot this end. That should be good. And then this should, I'm gonna let it slowly do it. It should go back in. There you go. And then we got a pull start. This should be good. I'm just trying to make sure we're all tight. So now we've got a new handle. Pull start seems to work. Now we just got to reattach it in this orientation with our 3 bolts that we haven't lost yet. And then we're going to do a test. Well, there's a whole bunch of holes here to line this up to. Uh-oh. This should work. Okay. Oh, I keep bouncing you guys off something. Okay, so there's a bunch of holes here, and this one, and this one are threaded. The rest are just holes. I don't know if it's like one style for different pull starts or what. I got to get it lined up just right because I tried to line it up in the wrong one and the bolt didn't catch anything. It just fell in basically. So let's get this one started by hand. Beautiful. So you get this one started down here. That seems good. And then this one's a little trickier because it's right next to the pull start. Should be good though. So let's just get this out. Feel like it's moving a little better. Okay, it's nice and snug. Beautiful. Okay, they're all snugged up. Now I guess the only thing left to do is let's check if we got fuel. We Let's do. I know we've got oil. I just changed the oil in it last video. Let's give her a start here. We're gonna turn the choke all the way up, throttle all the way up. 1, 2. Is it 3? 3, and then we should pull it. We'll see if it does anything. Voila! Beautiful. That's it. Voila. YouTube. I did it. I fixed it. All right. I'm sorry. No, just kidding. I'm not really that surprised. But it's just good to know that quick little project like this can be done. So, Troy-Bilt, was this a 26? Storm 2620 with a 208cc engine. That's how you replace a pull start. And I'm going to say that's probably very similar to every other pull start device out there. They should all be fairly similar. I guess I should stop kicking stuff around and pick up after myself. Yeah, so that's it. We're getting a little snow outside right now, but we're not supposed to get a lot, so no real reason to run the snowblower. But it starts, yay. So, yeah, I've been Zan. Yeah, it's awesome. And this has been a fun video for me. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, stick around for the next one. The next blizzard, I'm gonna mount a GoPro to this, and I'm just gonna snowblow the whole driveway, so you guys can see how terrible it was. Other than that, this is maintenance, man. It's all it is. A little bit of work, get it done, and yeah, I guys see you guys in the next video. I'm out for now. Peace.